Okay, now I'm going to talk about an important skill. I guess I could begin by saying something about what the skill is. So I think I would have to choose driving, which is a practical skill that I use almost every day. Going on to my next point, which is how I learned it. I really need to add that I learned to drive car by taking lessons when I was 17. My parents paid for me to have lessons with a professional instructor. I learned by practicing. First, I had to get used to steering, changing gears, and using the mirrors. And I practiced things like reversing and parking. I also had to learn the highway code. And now, with the reference to why I learned it, the point I want to make here is that I wanted to have the experience of driving a car. I was fed up with having to walk or take the bus or train whenever I wanted to go somewhere. I also knew that driving would be an extremely useful skill. And in conclusion, if I have time to answer the question of how driving has helped me. Really, I should mention that being able to drive it helped me in so many ways. The public transport, well, it isn't very good, so that I travel to work by car most days. Having a car makes my life much easier when it comes to things like shopping or visiting family and friends.